Turn it off.
Always an adventure with the Roving vets. We're just stuck in the middle of the desert, that's all.
Welcome to the channel of the Roving Veterans.
I'm Rob.
And I'm Bethany.
And don't forget about our dog, the Traveling Maverick.
We chose our name because we RV, and we're also both military veterans.
We bought our first camper in 2020 and been full-time ever since.
This episode, we're going to be in Kanab, Utah with my sister and her husband.
So I failed to get us back to Peekaboo.
For failure to listen, where we thankfully had locals to the rescue.
But we successfully made it to Red Hallow.
So Rob decided that he was not going to air down the tires today. So he keeps saying, I don't think we're going to make it. Well, I guess we're going to find out. We're bouncing around is about all I know. Here we are. Rob refused to listen, and now we're here. I don't know. I guess we're going to find out.
If we didn't sit right here, we would have been fine.
It's not moving at all.
Well, the tires aren't even turning.
I'm pushing it. I have to push this way.
We're gonna have to turn this vehicle off soon because we're too hot.
Just turn it off now. And we can like dig some of this out.
Well, let me try to rock this thing.
So I'm going to turn it off and let it cool off because that's the only thing we can do.
I mean, you got traction control off. It's not bad.
Well, we made it pretty easily yesterday in the Ford Raptor. Now I have no idea what's going to happen. Oh wow, we got helpers. Hey, look. Now I don't know what happens from here. Well, thanks for helping us get out.
Now cool this Jeep off real quick, fast in a hurry like.
What lesson did we learn today? If you're going to try to take a Jeep in the sand, you probably should lower the tire pressure. Yeah.
We can 100% walk it. We do this a lot. Keep that in mind, ST.
Okay, so we are back in the car. We're moving back down. We're going to try another Slot Canyon. Now we have lowered our tire pressure officially, and this is a lot easier driving. I feel like at least feels better riding. So hopefully we're going to be okay to get out of here. I guess we're going to find out shortly.
Feels like it's just dying out.
Yeah.
Made it! At least to that part. Driving like NASCAR drivers up in here.
Randy with the girl. This bonus bitch.
Man, I wish we had enough power to get in that second gear. Keep going. It's killing us. It's going to
At least if we can make it over this, we're in the clear because it's only like 3 minutes out from here.
Okay. Walking?
We're alright. We can make it out of here for sure now.
It's less than half a mile though.
You did a great job.
I think we could make it down there.
I think we could have too with actual like this, but now the car's overheated, so we probably just need to go to the next canyon.
Makes me feel nervous.
What did we learn today, Rob?
Let's not talk about it.
You say not, let's not talk about it? Okay. Alright, so, didn't quite make it back to the canyon we were at yesterday. They're on a time crunch, so we're just going to go to a canyon that we know we can go to. Alright, we're attempting a different slot canyon. One that we don't have to drive the Jeep to.
Yeah, it's a beautiful view already, look.
There actually is a parking place right here close to the trailhead, so in case you need to know that. Okay, we are climbing elevation to get to this canyon, y'all. Wow. It's only like 200 feet in elevation difference from when you get to the parking area and you get to the trailhead, like the canyon. But I'm pretty sure the whole 200 feet is all at that one spot. So just stop as many times as you need. Well, the GPS will actually take you right to the spot if you follow it. So now you know. I will say this is a very beautiful hike down here. We've got a prickly pear on the way. Like you're going the wrong way because you're walking in a wash. Apparently that's the right way, so just keep going. I will say the walk out to this Slot Canyon, the walk itself is beautiful. What do you think about our current location, Rob?
I wonder how long it takes the horse dung to turn into sand.
There's a lot of horse poop out here, that's true. It is. Get windy. Whenever you notice the sand changes colors, that's okay. You're still going in the right direction. In other words, we're not sure if this is the one or not, but we're gonna go in this one anyway.
How left is that? You got it.
This one is literally.
It's that's pretty steep, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
If you can walk up that, I'd be impressed.
It does look steep.
You know, it is. Trust me.
Might be a good spot for a water break though.
Don't strain too hard. Do it, Bethany.
I don't know how to do that.
Like do something cool. I'm filming.
I'm
Hurry up.
wearing the wrong shoes.
Like Spider Monkey. Yeah, Spider Monkey it.
There's a ledge right here, but
Spider Monkey.
oh, that's cute. That's cool.
I guess that's okay.
Did you take the picture?
I'm videoing.
Jeez.
Can you just still shot it? Oh, that brace feels good out of there. That really good.
That was farther down than I thought.
I'm gonna go.
Better be careful right here. This is the butt buster part right here.
I'm gonna go hard.
So far up there, y'all. I think we made it. This one, the thing is, it's hard to tell you a difference between this one and the other one because the weather itself is completely different.
Get very canyony. Very slotty. Canyony. Not going any further?
This canyon is going to take a little more climbing than the one yesterday that we did.
I think this is as far as we go. I don't see you getting too much further past that.
Dang. Go.
Oh man, this is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be.
What do you mean you can't?
My feet will not touch it. There we go.
I'm videoing. Come on. This canyon is much climbing, I feel like. The one yesterday is pretty flat. It's just totally different in what your scenery you're looking for, really. We're at the point of the trip where we're dropping our bags here because we're not going to fit through here with them. Get to the end?
Yeah, I don't know if it's really worth it. You can go about, I don't know, 10 or 15 yards this way, but then it goes way up again.
Yeah.
Up the waterfall.
I can get you, I'm getting you from this angle though. Here, Lydia, if you want to just take a picture there.
Where?
Right there.
I wasn't trying to take a picture, I was trying to get up.
Yesterday's was just walked flat the whole time pretty much.
Here, okay.
Starting to hear thunder.
Nothing will put a little pep in your step like some thunder in a slot canyon.
Right.
Okay.
Having fun yet? Why'd we do this?
Because somebody couldn't get the tire pressure figured out on the Jeep. Or we wouldn't be.
I jumped. Oh shoot, you got it?
Yeah. Mountain, wouldn't fit.
So we're in a slot canyon. It's called Red Hallow.
Oh, it's hollow.
This is how small it is. Yeah.
All right, now it's time to get skinny again.
I'm sweat.
This is how small it is. Yeah.
Whose idea was this anyway?
I think you came up here first. And you were like, you can get back here. But
You know what I think? I think losing like double-digit pant sizes last year helped.
Thanks, skinny.
these skinny thoughts are out there.
It's all about how you frame it.
It's kind of breezy through here, so it makes it a little cooler for you on a hot day.
Blue sky.
There are going to be rocks, little stacks of rocks places to kind of tell y'all where to get back to your car. We're almost back. Let's see the other one. Just make sure you put your other shoe back on before you step down because there's poop. Rob, I'm gonna air the tires back up from our morning adventure since we left Rennie here. And this is the point that we're about to split ways from my other sister and her husband. They're going on to Escalante, however you say it. We're hanging out for a little while still, so yeah. There goes my little sister and her hubby.